Hi Christian.
Hello.
Hello.
We're on our way to Christine's place. And right now, dito ang train. So hintay lang muna tayo. But it's only like few seconds kasi maikli lang yung train. On the way to St. Albert. Kain na naman. On the weekend. It's Saturday today. It's Hello guys, we're here at Christine's place. Namiss na namin yung swimming pool. This is one of the cleanest pools here in St. Albert or here in Edmonton. Kasi guys, yung pipunta naming mga swimming pool, masyadong blurry. Ito, they always clean it up kasi a lot of residents here are elderlies. Kaya kailangan malinis palagi. And we're on our way going upstairs. Parang mabigat yung karga mo, love. Ha? Ano yun lang nasa bag mo? Parang mabigat. Don't try. In a rush. Bakasyonista. May mga karga kami guys, kaya hindi ko din mabuhat ang karga ni Mrs. Hello. Okay, we have Jollibee.
Meron ka isa.
Christian's favorite.
Isa-isa tayo adobo
Yan.
rice.
Adobo rice, yeah. I like adobo rice. Sila na naman diet. That's okay.
Adobo rice.
Wow.
Pero si Chris,
Adobo
ano
rice
ang
of
paborito
Jollibee.
ni Chris? I-share muna lang kay Chris.
Hindi na. Kay Christian na yun. Gusto na blats. So, we have adobo rice. We have pancit. I also have salad here. May kape dito din. Puso magkape.
Chris,
May kape.
i-share mo na lang.
Yan.
I-share mo na lang.
Dahil Jollibee. Yeah.
Jig,
Chicken Joy.
eto ba oh?
Uy. Burger steak. Check na natin. Ito. Oh.
With adobo rice.
Oh, yan. Burger steak. Si Christian gusto yan.
Oh, sige, sige.
Chan, you like burger steak, right, Chan?
Yes!
Chan? You like burger steak?
Yes, of course.
No? Oh my goodness.
Yes, you do. You try that.
No, he likes it.
You can do sit down
Tapatampa lang. We're going to eat all this yummy stuff. Oh, love. There's burger steak. There's adobo rice. What else can you ask for?
Adobo rice, isa-isa ka. Wow, ito din o yan. Oo, sige lang.
Kainan na naman on the weekends. Sila naman diet. Ito may salad. May healthy naman dito. Later we can eat the salad.
Jollibee came to us.
For now, we can just eat the rice and the Jollibee. The adobo rice
Hindi pa. Kulang
Jollibee.
ka yan. Sandali lang.
There's more to come.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
No.
It's okay. Hindi naman lahat. Yan ang
Meron pa isa.
all-time favorite pineapple juice.
To, please.
Ano? Ay, ingat.
Ayun na yung sa pansit.
Yeah. Tuluan ka. Tin.
Aray.
Hmm.
Meron pa yung isang juice. Nasaan yung isang juice?
Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Opo ka na.
4 juices. Kain na tayo. Ilalagay ko na ito sa tripod. Itong kwa natin.
Hindi pa tayo tapos.
Pagkain.
Hindi,
Okay.
Ano ito?
Getting ready pa lang. Getting ready.
Jake. Ito
Ay, sit there, Chan.
Ito ang...
Wow. Chicken Joy. I need to wash my hands.
Anong gusto mo dyan? Ube or peach?
Ako peach.
Dalawang peach yan.
2 peaches. Peach mango pie. Yeah. These are mukbang for tonight.
Jake. Okay. Ano ba to, Jake? Oh, kalamansi ata to.
Sausawan?
Kalamansi
Para
to.
sa pansit yata.
Ano to? Tingnan mo daw.
Oh, spaghetti.
Ito. Mahilig sa spaghetti. Christine.
Ito,
And
ito.
Angelique may spaghetti.
Oh,
Ayan, Christian. He likes palabok. Yan.
wala na.
Kain. Sarap. Happy birthday. Oh, this is the longest birthday of Tita Tin. We celebrated or started celebrating it this March.
There's one more.
Uy, there's more to come? Oh my goodness.
Naritin.
Pipwesto natin ito sa tripod. Okay, I got my tripod here. So, kakain muna tayo. So, mabuti may tripod dito. Kain muna tayo. So, just go pray muna. Amen. So, mabuti at may tripod. At hindi tayo mahirapan magpakita ng food. Christian, Christian got spaghetti. Tapos, We also have fried chicken there.
Sige na.
Tayong pagkain. Then, we also have
Yes,
pineapple
ikaw
juice.
una.
Then, we also have adobo rice.
May maanghang dito. Gusto mo yun, maanghang?
Kain.
Basta
Hindi
naman
lalagyan.
kanyaan ko kasi ako nakabi sa chicken. Sino? Ako. Konti-kontiin ko lang. Lapa pa, oh.
Yeah.
How are you doing,
Chicken.
I'm good, thank you.
Tatin. Kain muna.
Panay dyan ka kayo.
Okay.
How are you doing, JP?
What were you doing before I saw you?
I was cooking. No,
Lab.
Hello, hi, how are you doing?
Birthday celebration. Tingnan natin. Malutong pa.
Ito, spicy. Gusto mo?
Ako.
May spicy dun sa baba.
Ito ang spicy.
It's gonna be hot.
No, it's not. It's already cold.
Ang buti malutong patin.
It's cold.
Malutong. Oh,
That one, you try this one, the beef.
Adobo rice.
The beef.
Lutong matin.
No, it's fine.
Ano ba yung pa dito, Tina?
Yung the beef.
You watch a movie? No?
Ha? Ano dito, Tina? Pumunta ka pa dito.
Masarap ang
Tina.
adobo rice.
Yeah.
Tahan ko.
Bakit niya ako ko ba mahaba ako mahaba niya?
Ay, mabilis na maghaba. No, ako hindi.
Hindi ka nag-isip?
Adobo rice and chicken.
Hindi.
Sarap.
Masarap? May maanghang doon sa baba ko nun.
Wala po.
Dito, oh.
Juice. Pumunta ko dun sa
Perfect.
170.
Ay, malapit.
Hindi ko pa.
Spicy nila din, spicy ka talaga.
Kaya na kasi.
Grabe. Ayaw mo, spicy.
Philip. So, even na burger stick yan. Philip, makeup.
Kaya palabo.
May palabog din. Sa french fries. Wala no? This is Jollibee's french fries.
No, Costco.
That's my ice cream. Ice cream from Costco.
Saan Costco ka din si Robert? Maraming tao basta ganitong oras.
Yun yun.
Oo, nagpila.
Uy, ano?
Ha? Ano na? Palete?
One by one lang muna.
Gusto ko palabok din yun.
Palabok lang.
Sure.
Kunti lang. Dali lang.
Yes, good.
Ito malinis ko lang. Wala yung spaghetti ka? Alin-alin ang pitong palabok.
Okay.
But there's a... Ayan, binigyan ni kanin sa salad. Mayroon yung parang rice, parang sushi.
Yun na.
Here go.
Bigyan ni Jade healthy rice. Mayroon siyang may isda, may kuwan. Palabok.
Here's the ano, calamansi for the palabo.
Mga for palabok. Wala naman to. Ganito ang kadami.
Yeah.
Yun. Palabok.
Yum.
Ice cream pa.
Wala sa pakwete.
Ha?
Pakwete, wala na.
Let's eat palabok. Minsan spaghetti. Ang palabok yun naman ako spaghetti. There's burger stick lang. Burger stick.
Burger steak chan.
Gusto lang daw mo ito.
Hmm? Ayaw daw?
Kasi, tapos, palabok. Wala ko dito. Konti pang rice, masarap. Walang sa hospital, hindi ka short recently.
Wala.
Yeah.
We're gonna go there.
Yes, sir.
Will it London Dale?
Yes. It's big there. It's nice.
We rarely go there.
We don't always go there.
Where?
London Dale.
Hmm?
Other than
Sarap. Kinakain mo na?
Your pineapple chan.
Kunti.
Your pineapple chan.
Yung pa ang tulog.
This is really, it's cold.
Maanghang dyan ha.
Napunta na Jollibee tin maraming tao tin?
Hindi man.
No.
May mga Canadian yun.
Dito magandang Jollibee, parang
Meron din.
accessible lang ba tayo sa Jollibee?
Natuto na sila mga kain.
Oo, nagpila-pila
Pila?
tayo.
Pero ngayon ba hindi? Ordinary na ang Jollibee dito, gusto mo kumain na dyan lang.
Noon din tinatanong ko, bakit sa dami-dami wala tayong Jollibee?
Kasi sa New York, they only got
They have
two
Jollibee,
Jollibee. Two Jollibees. Close to the airport, and the other one is at Bronx, man. Pupunta natin. See that?
Yeah.
But they cannot go there all the time because it's a little far from Uncle Boy.
Wala, mag-summer na mga bata sa Philippines, no? Summer na sila, wala na sila sir.
Imagine ang summer din gaano kainit.
too hot.
Super hot. El Nino.
Ito siya talaga nakita ko kanina sa laki.
Sino mo yan?
Nandito sa Edmonton.
Sino mo yan?
Si ano na April Boy.
Cotton
Sino
Lee.
yan?
April Boy. Yung sa April Boy, siya nangabuhay.
Ito na yan ang buhay.
Dalawa na patay.
Lalaki, nakita mo?
Advice.
Yan, nagbibili siya.
Kanina?
Una sa likod ko.
Uy.
Kasi nag-engage ko yung mga tao sa lapad. Sabi ko, ito yung April Boy. Nandito ako sa Edmonton.
Saan mo dyan? Hindi, kaya lang. Ito kung ito magkilala yun, kung nakita sa daan mo saan.
Masarap to with fries. Ilagay mo.
April
Yeah.
Boy in Edmonton.
Now we have the ice cream here. Sam, finish your spaghetti so you can get ice cream.
No,
I got the combination. Combination ba ito?
I don't have a
Oo.
brain free.
Combination
Ano,
of
chocolate sa'yo?
vanilla and chocolate.
When I go home,
Virgo Regino of April Boys
Sa
coming to Edmonton. Kaya pala.
but I want to see.
Nagpunta siya sa Lucky?
Wala din naman yun eh.
saan yung kanina?
Nasya na yun. Kaya pala sarapan ko nagagay.
Masarap ang adobo rice.
Tapos ako, kunwari na lang ako, nasa
Masarap.
likod,
Meron ako.
nasa likod
Garlic
ko,
yun, sakit.
ganyan na lang ako, nagtitingin-tingin lang ganyan na ako sa kanya. Sige, siya na ba
Pero hindi ka doon ma-excite yung first kay Gary. Ordinary lang.
Oo.
Pag makita mo si Gary.
Oo. Ang pari, yeah! Oh,
Hindi.
Wala.
Hindi, mayroon
Ilang
lang.
taon na siya?
why pa is he in wheelchair?
Masakit ang
Ilang
paa
taon
niya.
na siya?
May injury.
Why is he in wheelchair?
Ilang taon na siya?
Gary,
Na, na
50.
16 na siya.
Ah, kasi naka-wheelchair na siya. 60 pa
Hindi
lang.
na-injured yata din ang paa.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Huwag na siya sa Kisilaw. Ayun naman siya.
Oo, busy
Ah,
pa.
na-overwork
Yung
yun.
after siya na-operahan sa heart, sumayaw pa. Na parang walang pagbabago.
Hindi niya natapos ang concert niya. Di ba
Ayo, ano.
Di ba napakiramdam niya?
Pero yung sumayaw siya after ng heart surgery niya ilang months after,
Hmm.
nagmasayaw pa siya. Malakas. Oh my goodness.
Ah,
Good job.
really. Oh.
May tumutulong
Easily gets
Oo,
into.
ganun lang. Ewan ko, ang kuryente.
Ba't sa'yo may ice cream may puti tin?
Combo.
Ah, kamo. Ito okay na naman.
Masarap ang chocolate?
Hindi.
I saw people.
May ligyan sa chocolate.
I saw people. I saw people going to some.
Alam ko, kay mahilig ka sa chocolate. Yeah. There's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah.
There's a bread. No, me.
But they're just quiet.
Bata.
Bata.
Dito ba ka? Sa hospital yung never ko yung dito. Ganyan?
Mango. How is it, love? Maasim?
It's sweet.
It's sweet? Okay. Check this out. With sambuanga, bagoong. Magdala pa ako kopi ko, para mamaya. Gusto ko magkape mamaya tapos nito. Kopi ko. How's your spaghetti, Chan? It's good?
Good pa.
Yeah.
Late in the day.
Kanya si mangga. Kamis na.
Late in the day.
Fairness. Wala kang gana kasi nag-ANW ka. So, kumain ka ng spaghetti, pati mangga. Wala gusto kumain ka ng busog na ako, bisa mabusog. Ano yan? Para sa mangga? Hmm? Sarap. One more. Sarap din. Sarap din. Mangga din.
What's going on with the chief?
Sarap. Mamaya ulit. Pati meat.
Hindi, carnivorous daw siya.
Carnivorous ito yung mga prutas
Hindi
kinakain.
siya kumakain.
May mga tao nagtatagal karne-karne lang, may tao nagtatagal gulay-gulay. Pero depende yan sa katawan. Kasi yung matanda dun sa Citadel, tatawag siya, sabi niya, bigyan mo ng Coke, bigyan mo ng chocolate, bigyan mo ng chips. Sabi ko sa kanya, that's not good for your body, sabi niya. That's the reason why I reached 90, sabi niya.
Oh.
Sabi ko, okay. Start eating junk foods then. Mama's resting already.
Gabi, let's watch movie.
Mama is Lenny Lulobredo
Watch
ka.
movie. Watch
Kakampings.
horror, ha? I don't watch horror.
Going to watch movie after this.
Not horror.
No, I will watch comedy.
Why is that like that? Ano nakalagay? That all.
Ha?
Ano premise mo? Ano, nakalagay mo yan.
Abi, ako mo.
Chan, go. Hurry up, Chan, so we can watch. Ano sa movie?
Anong movie? Netflix?
Netflix. YouTube kasi is more vlogging eh.
I don't want to see me.
Huh?
I don't want to.
Hey guys, we're just resting right now. Si Christine kausap niya si Joan, one of our friends. Christian, we're just waiting for Christian to finish.
Movie's done.
Oh, look.
I love. Nantok na rin ako. So let's check it out what movie we can watch. We don't like horror, so most probably we'll watch comedy. Let's check it out, guys. Guys, ang napag-isipan naming movie ngayon ay ang manood ng... Actually, I don't know this movie. It's a Korean movie, guys. Ako nandito nakahiga, guys. Sila naman nagkakainan doon. Inubos nilang mangga. Ako, medyo maluya kasi nagpa-shingle shot ako, guys. May mangga pala, naubos na. Naubos mo na, no? Chillax lang muna ngayon. Sige na, Tin. Tikim lang ako, Tin. Isang bilog lang. Well, it's okay, thank you.
Just listen. I could hear what you're thinking.
You can eat again, Chan?
Wasn't thinking. I swear.
Wala ko.
Those bastards who just happen to get a lucky break get everyone distracted. Taking out loans, their life savings into investing. No wonder the economy is good.
Ano ito to?
Investment in speculation junkies.
Junk food time.
Well, yeah. I'm not a speculator. I own a unit. Ah,
Can you open the lab?
yes.
Chan, need to eat something.
Excuse me? Well, you went from just poor to house poor. That's a step up. Right?
Let's see what else can we eat.
I told him you should have just focused on making manager.
It's a Filipino junk food. Yung building nila para sa lab.
What are you gonna do? You gotta put up with it to pay back your loans.
Pap, kaya natin pa natin pwedeng kainin sa nila.
Historically have an upward trend.
Hey guys, ako lang kumakain ngayon. So what I'm eating is a salad. So healthy muna tayo ngayon. So this is actually given to me by my coworker. So we have rice, we have avocado, we have some meat here or salmonata. Then we also got lettuce here. So healthy to guys. And we're watching a Korean movie. I don't know what's the title. Hindi ko maintindihan guys, but ewan ko, it's more of like suspense thriller. Si Christian kumakain ng Jollibee. It's a burger steak guys. Si Ann naman doon nakahiga. Si Christine. Tignan natin guys kung masarap. Natin. Okay naman. Sarap. It's healthy. Ano pang pagkain guys? Still have Jollibee there. Fried chicken. May natira pa. We also have palabok. Spaghetti. Dami. May pansit canton pa dun. Sa baba. Sobra. Sarap. Add natin guys. Madami ito, isang container. And may rice sa baba guys. May sriracha. I don't know, may beans. So it's complete guys. May karne rin. And some fish. So may protein, may carbs. So super healthy guys. Itong kinakain ko ngayon para mayroon tayong panglaban sa toxins guys. Yan, medyo thrilling ang pinapanood natin ngayon. No? Pero I still need to watch this from the start until the end kasi hindi ko nabutan kanina kasi natulog ako. Kasi nga masakit ang katawan ko kasi I had my shingle shot guys. Shingle shot is you do this kind of shot when you're 50 years old. Yan, when 50 years old para pagtanda mo hindi ka mag shingles. Just to take precaution guys. Pero masakit sa katawan guys kaya medyo chillax na tayo ngayon. Ating juice. Ayan, paborito ko yung juice. Add a little bit of chichirya. Dito pa yung mangga natin. French fries. Daming pagkain guys. Yung pansit hindi pala tikman. Yung video pa sa kita kanin with rice. Naubos na. With hinog mangga. Paborito mo yan, love? Sweet mango with pansit and rice. Kaya ubos na. Hindi ko na naabutan. Ito ang pansit guys. Hindi ko pa natikman kasi busog na ako. May si Christine kakain. Still watching a movie guys. And it's what time? 10:38 in the evening guys. Saturday. Tapos Sunday, pahinga ng konti and then Monday balik namin sa trabaho.